Do you remember how your grandma used to love wearing her cardigans? Well, you know what? We don't want to style like our grandparents did, right? So today I have 5 styling mistakes that you might be making with sweaters or cardigans. And of course, I'm going to be modeling for you the do's and the don'ts. So let's get into this video, starting with mistake Number 1, a sure way to make you look like you're styling like an older woman is to wear florals or graphic blouses underneath your sweater or cardigan. If your blouse looks like grandma's curtains, you're probably looking that way too. Better to show a style without the tie-up bow and one that makes the eye look downward to give you a longer silhouette. A V-neck top does just this. And this top is just $17 and available in short or long sleeves in 20 colors to size XXL. Push the sleeves up on the cardigan and wear this stylish and trending leather crossbody purse for just $47. And how about a pair of red shoes? And believe it or not, these LifeStride pumps, last time I checked, were on sale for just around $50. This look takes us from frumpy to fabulous with just a little styling. And don't forget, as usual, I'll have the good fashions that I'm modeling underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find in a section all of my favorite cardigans and sweaters. As well, in another section, you'll find my favorite jackets and coats, so enjoy. But for right now, let's get right back into this video with mistake number 2. You're so excited that the leopard print is still trending, so you buy a cardigan. Well, this cardigan buttoned up, the look is very aging. Animal prints can be tricky, so in this video I would suggest that you don't make the animal print, the main item of your outfit. I would suggest more of a camel colored cardigan, like this one that's just $40 and in 20 colors to size 2XL. I love this cardigan so much I also have it in blue. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing it today. And notice how well it looks with my NYDJ blue jeans and my rust color stretchy belt that's just $20 in 6 colors. Plus, I'm wearing my favorite brown ankle boots that are leather and just $78. Plus this great all-leather handbag for just $55 with lots of zippers and compartments. This is as much more a youthful look and chic for us over 50 crowd. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who may be closer to your age, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when my videos are out. But for now, we're on mistake number 3. You see that the crochet look is trending, so you buy this look and wear it over a top since it's kind of see-through. Now I know you want to look different and trendy, but this out-of-shape crochet number is not doing anything for you. I want to share one of my favorite overtops with you, and it kind of has a Stevie Nicks feel to it. It's velvet and chiffon, and I feel fabulous wearing it, and it's just $34 and available in 11 colors. I feel like I'm wearing something from a famous designer, and instead of wearing a trend that makes me look frumpy, I'm wearing a look that makes me feel like the amazing, evolving woman that I am. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have an inspirational message for all of you maturing, evolving, amazing women. Oh, and don't forget about my second channel. It's called Age Empowered. All you have to do is go on YouTube and search Age Empowered. And I've made a channel with inspirational messages now. There's DIY projects and also healthy living ideas as well. But for now, hey, we're on mistake number 4. You think all cardigans are created equal and look like this. Well, again, this is more of the way our grandmas wore cardigans. How about just changing out the cardigan for one with no sleeves, like this amazing vest, for just $46. I'm still wearing that V-neck white top, but this time with the long sleeves. And I'm also wearing a pair of my favorite stretch pants from Makuchi for just $50 and available in short, regular, or tall sizing and lots of colors. I put on a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses, and even if you're a grandma, this look definitely makes you look like one that can rock this world. And I know I'm talking about grandmas right now in almost a negative way, but I loved both of my grandmothers, and particularly one grandmother. She raised me on a farm. Apparently, I found out when I was in my 50s that she raised me until I was age 5. And well, I guess my parents were getting ready in the city. I'm not too sure. But anyway, she was a strong woman. She lost her husband in a boating accident. She lost her brother in a boating accident. She lost one of her sons. She only had 2 in World War II. And yet through it all, she showed me so much strength. So I would love to hear in the comments something about maybe your grandmother that was just exceptional. And don't forget that almost every day I post on Instagram, instagram.com/lovingourage, or just when you're on your Instagram account, you can check out and search Loving Our Age. And almost every day I'm posting reels or posts or stories on fashion, beauty, and a lot of inspiration. So enjoy. But for right now, hey, we're on another mistake. You've got to wear a midi or a maxi skirt because you don't like your legs. Well, if you still wear leggings, a pencil skirt with tights is still going to make you look about the same. Ditch the frumpy look with skirts, especially when you can camouflage your legs with tights in the colder weather. I'm also wearing a chic pair of faux suede ankle boots for $43. And of course, let's look at this same cardigan as the camel one I showed you before. Here I have another awesome stretchy belt to go with it for just around $20, and it's in many colors to size 2XL. And how about this amazing purse with see-through area for your cell phone for just $28? It was on sale anyway the last time I checked. You can still pull off a look like this at any age or size. All you need is the confidence to go from drab to fab. And talking about confidence, sometimes that's all you need to take you away from, styling like kind of your grandmothers did, to looking chic and fabulous. It's so important, as I mentioned earlier, that we're evolving, and we're changing up things. It's exciting to change up things, and that's one of the reasons I'm here. I want to be like a personal stylist for you to help you get there. And now that I'm 70, I really want to be like a beacon of light for you. And I also want you to be a beacon and light for all of the younger women who are fearing getting older. I want them to look at us and just say, hey, she's really embracing getting older. So shine on, ladies, shine on, because you know what? We can still really rock this world. And in a few seconds, you'll see a yellow page show up and me in a blue shirt. And that can take you right now, or right in a few seconds anyway, to the age-empowered second channel that I have. And you can start evolving even more. And I certainly know that while we're on our aging journey, things can happen, things can put us into the doldrums. I'm actually going through something right now, but I don't want to stay down there. I want to get dressed up. I want to put on a little bit of rouge and a little bit of lipstick, as my grandmother used to say. And I want to put on an outfit and feel really good and look in the mirror as I leave the door and put on a big smile and know that I'm loving our age.